20 mind-boggling tales that prove truth often outstrips fiction. Hello, you unstoppable history adventurers, and welcome to Today in History for 1 May, a date so crammed with cosmic revelations, daring rebellions, and zany firsts, you'll wonder if time is pulling pranks on us. If you're ready for heroic feats, comedic chaos, and turning points galore, smash that subscribe button now. Buckle up. Once we ignite this time machine, normal life may never look the same. Number 20. On 1 May 305, Roman Emperors Diocletian and Maximian astonished the empire by jointly abdicating. Their surprise exit ended the original Tetrarchy experiment and unleashed fresh power struggles across imperial politics. Number 19. On 1 May 1328, the Treaty of Edinburgh, Northampton recognized Scotland's independence from England. Robert the Bruce's victory sealed hard-fought autonomy and concluded decades of bloody conflict, at least for a while. Number 18. On 1 May 1576, Stephen Báthory was crowned King of Poland in Kraków. Despite political wrangling, his reign nurtured university reforms, bridging ideas between Eastern Europe and a restless Renaissance world. Number 17. On 1 May 1707, the Acts of Union merged England and Scotland into Great Britain. Though critics balked at losing national identity, centuries of shared monarchy morphed into a single parliament. Number 16. On 1 May 1840, Britain issued the penny black, the world's first adhesive postage stamp. Queen Victoria's regal silhouette debuted on envelopes, forever changing mail delivery with a sticky rectangle. Number 15. On 1 May 1851, the Great Exhibition opened in London's Crystal Palace, parading global inventions from steam engines to weird contraptions. Victorians marveled at futuristic visions, forging a festival of progress. Number 14. On 1 May 1869, the Folies Bergère opened in Paris, unveiling bohemian dance acts, glamorous costumes, and boundary-pushing shows that scandalized polite society, yet packed the hall night after risque night. Number 13. On 1 May 1873, the U.S. Post Office released its first official postcard, letting folks scribble quick hellos for a penny. Thus began the golden age of postcard collecting mania. Number 12. On 1 May 1886, U.S. workers began a nationwide general strike for an 8-hour day, setting the stage for the Haymarket Affair. Their rally cry still resonates in modern labor movements. Number 11. On 1 May 1893, the World's Columbian Exposition opened in Chicago, showcasing innovations from electric lamps to the Ferris wheel, while architects conjured a splendid white city of neoclassical marvels. Number 10. On 1 May 1931, President Herbert Hoover pressed a button from the White House, switching on lights for the newly completed Empire State Building, briefly the world's tallest beacon of Art Deco. Number 9. On 1 May 1941, Orson Welles' film Citizen Kane debuted in New York, mesmerizing audiences with its innovative storytelling and fierce newspaper tycoon drama, despite ruffling some powerful feathers behind the scenes. Number 8. On 1 May 1945, Nazi propaganda minister Joseph Goebbels died by suicide in Berlin's bunker, one day after Hitler's demise. This macabre finale heralded the crumbling of the Third Reich. Number 7. On 1 May 1950, poet Gwendolyn Brooks clinched a Pulitzer Prize for Annie Allen, becoming the first African-American to win. Her lyrical insight redefined American poetry with unwavering authenticity. Number 6. On 1 May 1952, Mr. Potato Head became the first toy advertised on U.S. television, letting kids swap plastic noses, ears, and pipe arms, sparking a goofy, spudtastic wave of creative play. Number 5. On 1 May 1960, a Soviet missile downed Francis Gary Powers' U-2 spy plane, igniting Cold War tensions. The doomed reconnaissance flight ended with a captured pilot and diplomatic embarrassment. Number 4. On 1 May 1971, Amtrak began operating, uniting America's passenger rail services under one brand. Though once ridiculed, it persisted through budget squabbles and track delays, eventually winning some travelers' hearts. Number 3. On 1 May 1978, Japanese explorer Naomi Uemura reached the North Pole solo via dog sled. His frosty odyssey showcased astonishing endurance and left the rest of us feeling a bit lazy. Number 2. On 1 May 1994, Formula One champion Ayrton Senna tragically crashed at Italy's Imola circuit. His death stunned motorsport fans worldwide, sparking safety reforms that reshaped racing's high-speed thrills. Number 1. On 1 May 1999, Nickelodeon premiered SpongeBob SquarePants, unleashing a pineapple-dwelling sea sponge upon pop culture. Surreal antics and goofy humor reeled in fans, proving bizarre marine life can be TV gold. And there you have it. If these time warp reveals sparked your curiosity or spiked your sense of wonder, subscribe right now to catch tomorrow's equally jaw-dropping set of historical fireworks. Rumor says we'll unearth cunning conspiracies, comedic disasters, and maybe a cameo from a legendary hero or two. Stay tuned. The next date awaits your daring imagination.